Say goodbye to gastritis with this wonderful juice. Do you suffer from gastritis or do you have colitis? Well, this juice cures gastritis, colitis, eliminates heartburn in the pit of the stomach and eliminates inflammation in the intestine caused by gastritis. We start by cutting a quarter of a papaya into pieces. We will also need a potato, which is a traditional means against heartburn or gastritis since certain proteins neutralize gastric acids. In a blender we place the papaya. We also add the potato, a few crystals of aloe vera, and 200 milliliters of water. Let blend for a few minutes. Papaya is a great option for people with gastritis as it contains papain, an enzyme that can reduce inflammation and aid digestion. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties which helps reduce gastric mucus in case of gastritis. Take this juice on an empty stomach for a week and say goodbye to gastritis, heartburn and colitis. We are top recipes until next time, thank you.